Here's a little trick on how you can find Instagram users in your area. So if we press on the magnifying glass right here, we want to type in the search bar the city that we want to explore. So I'm just going to do Berlin as an example, Berlin, Germany. And after you've typed it, you want to press on the magnifying glass in the right corner or here. Now, from here, the important thing is that we need to go to places. And then this is going to give you the option of the location itself. So the first option usually should be the city and the country which you are searching for. So if we click on it, as you can see, now we're taken to this Instagram map. And from here, you can actually find users. I'm going to show you how. If you go to recent, people who have tagged themselves here in the city that you're exploring will show up, as well as a bunch of stories all around the city which you are currently exploring. So that is how you find people on Instagram in your current area. If this helped you out, if this trick helped you out, leave a like and sub. I hope you found it useful. Make the most of it. I'll see you guys and girls next time. Bye bye.